Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Good evening to all of you. How are you all? I hope you are well. Now I am there for telling something about my family. It's an honor for me to say something about my family in front of you. I have a beautiful family. There are 6 members in my family. I have 3 brothers. I have no sister. My father's name is Abdul Malik Al Mamun. He is a retired person. He was retired 2023. He was a government employee. He worked at Jamuna Depot in Narayanganj. My father is very honest and kindful person. Everyone likes him. My father says 5 times salats regularly. After Johor prayers, he recites Holy Quran every day. My father liked to read Holy Quran and Bukhari Sharif. My father disliked dishonest person and smoking. My father's hobby is gardening. My mother's name is Rashida Begum. Everyone called her Rashida. My mother is a housewife. My mother is a beautiful woman on my eyes. My mother cooks for us. He takes care of our whole family. Mother very kind and helpful woman. My mother also try to help poor person. My mother likes to most traveling. She dislikes dishonest person. My elder brother's name is Mohsin. He has completed her education level. He is a businessman. He got married 10 years ago. He has 2 kids. My immediate elder brother's name is Mustail. He live in abroad. He live in Italy. He also got married 9 years ago. My younger brother's name is Munna. He is a student. Thank you so much for listening to me.